Let me tell you something. Every day you use the work of a civil engineer, but you just don't realize it. That road you walked on this morning, the water you drank, and the building that you are living in right now, which is keeping you safe. Someone designed that. Someone made it possible. And that person was a civil engineer. But here's the truth people don't talk about. If civil engineers stop working today, the world would stop functioning within a week. Let me explain why. We live in a world that depends on systems, transport, water, shelter, and power. Yet most people never stop to think about those who build it until something goes wrong. When a bridge collapses, people cry. When water floats, we complain. When water stops running in our houses, we panic. But every one of those problems have one profession at the center, which is civil engineering. And without it, modern lives fall apart, literally. Maybe you're watching this now thinking, I want to build something that lasts. I want to solve real problems, not just chasing money and fame. Well, that's what civil engineering is about. Building a wall that outlives you. And it's not theory, it's not fancy. It's impact you can see, touch, work on every day. Let me give you real stories. When Japan faced an earthquake in 2011, it was civil engineers who designed the shock-resistant buildings, which was able to save thousands of lives. Well, Cape Town, South Africa is another example. When water was running out in 2018, civil engineers redesigned the distribution system such that they could have water. Another example is Dubai, tallest building, the Burj Khalifa, which is almost 1 kilometer high, 828 meters. And even in your neighborhood, every drainage system, culvert, water distribution system, sewage systems, that's someone's design, someone's maths, someone's sleepless nights, turning a drawing into safety and convenience. So here's my promise to you. If you ever decide to take civil engineering seriously, not as a course but as a mission, you will never run out of purpose. Because no matter how technology advances, the world will always need someone to build it. The advancement of AI would only help to advance civil engineering. But AI can draw blueprints, right? But AI cannot feel a foundation which is under vibration. AI cannot detect that your community needs a bridge. And that's human, that's civil engineering. Think about it. When you build a road in a remote area, you help children to go to school. When you design a proper drainage system, you avoid floods in cities. And when you plan a city well, which is called town planning, you help people to live in dignity. So civil engineering isn't just about structures, it's about stories, real life scenarios. It's about people, it's about impact. And that's why it's one of the few careers where your work doesn't fade away, simply because it becomes a part of history. So the future belongs to engineers who can think and build beyond steel and concrete. Things which are evolving now, such as smart cities, green energy, climate resistant buildings. This is a new battlefield and civil engineers are leading to it. So the real question is, when the world starts rebuilding itself, will you be one of the people designing it? So we have seen civil engineering is not just a profession, it's a legacy. It's the science of turning imagination into reality. So next time when you walk around in the city, you look at the smallest building right up to the tallest building. It was once an idea on a paper designed by a civil engineer. If this message hits you, subscribe because it's free, right? Here we don't just talk about engineering, we build it. And with that said, all glory to God.